In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate important emails in Gmail. This is such a handy feature when you want to quickly access those emails that matter most, without getting lost in an ocean of messages. So, let's dive right in and make sure you never miss a critical email again. Imagine you've just opened your Gmail dashboard, which is where most of us start our email journeys. This familiar space can hold thousands of messages, but when you need to find the emails you've marked as important, wouldn't it be nice to access them without any hassle? That's precisely what we're going to achieve today. First, you'll want to head over to Gmail. Once you're there, your eyes should naturally fall on that left sidebar. This area of your screen is your navigation hub, offering several commands at your fingertips. You might notice that your important emails aren't as immediately visible as you'd hope. Don't worry. This is where a small yet crucial step comes in. You'll look for the More option, which might be located a bit further down the sidebar, especially if you have several labels. Clicking More is going to reveal a whole array of additional options, like opening a secret drawer overflowing with tools, some of which you might not have even realized were there. Among this newly opened list, you'll discover the Important folder. Click on Important, and voila, the magic unfolds. This is your dedicated space where all emails marked as important reside. Think of it as your email VIP section. Now, it's worth noting how this important folder actually works. Gmail uses a sophisticated algorithm to predict and mark which of your incoming emails are significant to you. However, you can also manually tag emails as important by starring them or by adjusting the importance markers. As a tip, if you want to train this feature to better suit your needs, engaging with those importance markers can fine-tune Gmail's understanding of your priorities over time. Before we wrap up, consider making a habit of regularly visiting this folder, especially if you get lots of emails or are expecting urgent communications. By revisiting this important section daily, you can keep on top of what really matters and prevent essential messages from getting buried under the weight of less critical correspondence. And that's essentially it. Navigating to your important emails in Gmail is straightforward once you know where to look and what to do. Hopefully, this little walkthrough has set you up for greater efficiency and control over your inbox. Thank you for watching, and make sure to join us again for more tips like these that make digital life a little simpler.